Sporting legends. Kazakhstan's famous weightlifters, boxers and wrestlers have won countless Olympic medals. But in 2016, Dmitry Balandin came out of nowhere to win a gold medal in a completely different sport. Born in Almaty in 1995, Balandin won 3 gold medals at the 2014 Asian Games. However, when he arrived at the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, he wasn't one of the favourites. Against all odds, Balandin took everyone by surprise by winning the first ever gold medal in swimming for Kazakhstan in the 200-metre breaststroke. Adam Peaty was terrified of water when he was a child. No one knew that this young boy from Staffordshire, England, would grow up to be a record-breaking swimmer. When Peaty arrived at the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, he had already won 19 medals at various competitions around the world. While in Rio, he set a world record of 57.55 seconds in the heats of the 100 metres breaststroke. But even more amazingly, he beat his own record in the final and won the gold medal for Great Britain with a time of 57.13 seconds.